Is it taking too long to build your website in Sitecore? Do you have a redesign you'd like to get to market quickly, but your DXP development is slowing you down? Oshyn's innovation and research team has taken our decades of Sitecore experience and agentified building websites in Sitecore XP and SitecoreAI. Our team of experts can take your designs directly from Figma and build them in Sitecore, aided by AI. We control the process to ensure that everything is built to our exacting enterprise standards for Sitecore, while adhering to the design team's envisioned look and feel. Automated scans verify that the resulting code is secure, and our experts review each line to ensure that what is put into your system is handcrafted-quality Sitecore code. The end result? Your Sitecore redesign or replatform can happen in weeks rather than months, and you can reallocate budget to more strategic activities. Oshyn's Agentic build for Sitecore is the future of DXP development, available today.